Okay, ready?
Dumbest at its best.
The only way to go. I guarantee it goes this time.
It's a pretty shitty guarantee.
Fuck you. It's not money back.
Oh, what the?
Why is it moving? What's going on? There ghosts in the house?
It's shaking. You see it?
Oh my god. There's ghosts in the house.
Why is it shaking? Oh shit.
Hold on, we only got 5 seconds. I gotta start it over again. Okay, keep it going. Shut up.
Oh, that stinks. Wood's burning. Smell it?
That's so awesome, though. I want to see if it'll actually, like, catch.
It's gonna smell bad.
It's even worse.
Oh, it's gonna smell smoke. Nothing.
That was weird that the fucking wood was, like, moving now.
Oh! Paint's bubbling.
Okay. Turn the camera on.
Huh?
Turn the camera on.
It's on. Two.
Bless you.
Why is that being so shitty?
This one won't do it because it's hooked on the side, I don't think. Snap. Tim strong.
What's going on? Maybe it's broken.
I don't want to accept that. Come on.
Really?
There's got to be a scientific variable here that we're missing.
Yeah, try that. A bunch of water?
Somehow I don't think water is the solution.
I think it could be.
Water in the microwave? No. I think it's just gonna... Water in tinfoil, maybe. That's a good idea.